In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload fonts in Canva, something that's especially useful if you're aiming to add a personal touch to your designs. Whether you're working on a project for a client or creating something for personal use, uploading custom fonts can make all the difference. This guide will focus on how you can do this using the Canva desktop web version, and many of these steps are mirrored on mobile devices as well. Let's begin by ensuring you're logged into your Canva account. Keep in mind that the ability to upload custom fonts is exclusive to Canva Pro, Canva for Teams, or other eligible plans. Once you're all logged in and ready, take a look at the left sidebar of your Canva home interface. Here, you'll want to locate and click on either Brand or Brand Kit. In some interfaces, depending on updates, this might appear under a menu option, but rest assured, it's right there on the sidebar, typically within easy reach. Now that you're inside the Brand Kit section, direct your focus to the Brand Fonts area. This might also be labeled simply as fonts, but either way, it's where you'll be uploading your custom font. Within this section, you'll find a button that says Upload a font or possibly Add a font. This is your gateway to customizing your text options with your very own font files. Click on the Upload a Font button. At this point, your computer will prompt you to select your desired font files. Canva supports several font file formats, including TTF, OTF, or WAF, so make sure your file type is compatible before proceeding. Navigate through your files, select the font you want to upload, and open it. Now here's an important step. Canva will require you to confirm that you hold licensing rights to use each font you upload. This would usually involve a prompt or a checkmark where you confirm that your usage complies with any applicable licensing agreements. This is crucial to avoid any legal issues later on, so make sure you have the correct permissions. Once you've confirmed the licensing, Canva will go ahead and upload your font into your brand fonts. You should see it listed among the other fonts available when you edit text in your projects. Congratulations, your font is now ready to use across your Canva designs. Experiment with it and let your creativity flow with your new font style. And there you have it, a straightforward process to customize your designs further on Canva with your own fonts. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful for enhancing your Canva experience. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Happy designing!